Hi, my name's Tracy McGee, and I have been a member of the Pioneering Today Academy with Melissa Norris since October of last year. And let me tell you, it has been completely life-changing for me and my family. And Melissa is helping me to realize my dreams of becoming a homesteader. Since joining the Academy, I've learned how to make my own sourdough starter. And from that starter, I've baked sourdough bread, I have made sourdough pancakes and waffles and all sorts of wonderful things. I've learned how to make kombucha. I've learned how to cook from scratch. I have made homemade lotion bars. I have made wonderful homemade gifts for my friends and family. I have learned how to make an amazing immune boosting tea that honestly helped me survive the cold and flu months this fall and winter. And so I'm just incredibly grateful for everything that I've learned in the community. Melissa's lessons are just amazing. She walks you through everything step by step with wonderful instructional videos and then also a download with each lesson so that you can download it and have it for future reference. One of my favorite things I think about the Academy, though, are the challenges that she does and the community that we have there. So when she does a challenge, it's so much fun because everybody in the group is working on the project, and we are posting our pictures and sharing with everybody else what we're doing, and it just really is good because it pushes you and challenges you to actually implement what you're learning. I love to learn, but I honestly struggle a lot with actually putting what I learn into action. And so the challenges help me so much in that because they keep me accountable. And I know that, everybody else is posting, so I want to post too. And so it really does help me a lot. And the inspiration and encouragement and motivation that I get from the other group members is just priceless, to be perfectly honest. And so I'm just so grateful for Melissa and everything that she does. And I cannot imagine my life without the Pioneering Today Academy.